What is going on, wonderful, fantastic people? Today, I am going to be sharing a little project that we're building. If you are a software owner, or if you have an idea, or in the early stages of building a startup, and you want to go in and put your app onto a marketplace to get traction and to be able to um, get your app out there. I'm building an app right now. It's just on a demo domain. Um, if you guys are wanting to follow along in this video today, we are going to be building. I'm going to be building out some more features of the app. So let's jump right into it. All right. Um, All right, so let's just show you guys what we got going on so far. Um, so as we go over here, we're gonna let's go into a new tab, and we are going to go to, I bet you won't .click. And what you'll see here, you'll see a app marketplace. With this app marketplace is completely free. For right now, it's completely free. You'll be able to uh, insert your own app. So let's just go through that app process. I'm signed in as a user, and I already submitted an app. So this is how it's gonna. This is the flow of how I have it all set up. If you want to be able to go in and submit an app, before you submit or before you are able to get the app started, or get it onto the marketplace, that has to be approved. So if we add a new app that we're working on, it's called the Only Prompt. The Only Prompt is an operating system that you can use to build anything with AI. For the category, we're gonna call it, for right now, we are gonna call it we'll call it marketing. For the price, lifetime prices, we're gonna be selling at $9.97 a year. Company name, we're gonna call it the Only Prompt. Only Prompt. The demo is gonna be the Only Prompt.com. And tags. So if we want to go in and put any type of tags in here, we can. So, and this will help out with SEO and all that fun stuff. So with this specifically, we are going to put in AI. We're going to put in software development, prompt development. We are going to put in we'll have analytics. And we'll put ads. All right, and now we're gonna submit the app. Now, the price $9.97. Category, the app is being is pending approval for our administrators. So now, if I go into my end, go to I bet you won't click. and I go and log in as an admin. It's okay, so we can do that. We'll do that live right here, right now. So in this, you guys can't see that. So, all right, so this is my code. This is where all the fun stuff happens. Right now we need to update. So we're gonna just tell the. So what I'm using right here is I'm using something called Cursor. Cursor is a power tool, and I'll show you guys kind of how it's set up here in a minute. But right now, so we're gonna say if you want to reference your full code base, you're going to put at code base and say update this to make the admin user Austin at austinpowers.com. Make it to where he doesn't have to do anything special besides log in and approve apps. Now it's just going to reference the full code base, and now it's going to help. Now it's going to help and make it to where it is available. So we're going to go to. So what I like to do is I always like to open the document before I hit apply. So I can go to use admin and we hit apply to use admin, and that was done. So no changes were done there. Now we can hit apply to add, no, not admin.ts. Now we go to admin.js. Go to apply, continue, accept. And now we need to update the Firestore rules for admin access based on the email. So we go to Firestore rules, and we're going to go apply. Boom. Now we can hit save. And the last thing we have to update is the admin root. And so we have to go to admin root.tx. That's in our components. We're going to hit apply, accept. And now we are all set. Now we can go to Firebase deploy. And it's going to deploy it to the app. Now, if we go to here, we just hit reload. It's not going to work. Okay. All right. So the user Austin at austinpowers.com Powers is .com already signed up. I just want to grant him admin access. So we gotta go to use admin hooks. So we're gonna say, oh, you know what? That's why it didn't work. Save. Bet you that's why it didn't work. Always gotta make sure you save your files when you're done working on it, on your project. So now if we go back to here, hit reload. Dashboard. Okay, so it still didn't work the way we wanted it to. That's fine. It's always okay to have errors. Let's see. Use admin.tx. Okay, so nothing's changed there. Now let's go to the Firestore rules. Function. All right. Let's just go to deploy this one more time. Now, ideally, okay, so it's still not working. You want to know why it's not working? Well, that's a good question. Let's try one thing. Let's log out, log in. Always can do that too. All right, so still not even working. So I am still not seeing admin access in the when I sign into the app under Austin at austinpowers.com. So for making money on coding, that's a great question. You can make a lot of money. It all depends on how much money you you want to go in and how much you want to delegate yourself. Now, with coding, you can make anywhere from 5 grand a month all the way to 100, 200 grand a month. All depends on how much you want to delegate. That is a great question for Foka ARPA. That fantastic question. Now, like I said, you can and there's a bunch of different ways you can make money with coding. You can make money by building the way I'm building. You can build traditional route, which I know how to do that too. But you can also do it through other ways. There's front end development, there's back end development, there's actually AI development. There's a bunch of different. How much do I make yearly? Um, Around 6 figures. That is just a very that's just ballpark. Now I can make my cap is unlimited, right? So I can make as many as I really want, as much as I really want. So let's see here. So after we did that, dashboard. So we gotta check the browser console. It's what is asking console. So what I do when I get errors, Control C, and then you have a good night too, man. And yes, it did take me a while to get to 6 figures. So we're gonna say please fix. I am going to stop sharing for a minute because I do have to interesting. You guys cannot see me. There we go. All right. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. And I just got to edit some database stuff real quick. Firebase. Go to services. Okay. Control S. Alright. Now let's update the router router warnings. So we're going to go app.tsx. I'm going to hit apply. Now let's go to use admin. Apply. Save. Let's go. All right. Now we should be able to go in and let's share the screen again. And let's go and try to deploy it one more time. Nice, nice. Everything's working, looks pretty good. Now let's go and reload. Let's go to, okay, why is, let's see, I go here, go over there, there. Let's go over here one more time. No. All right, so we're gonna go. Alright, so let's go here. Save in my Firebase. It is not showing that Austin Powers is admin. Please fix this. All right. Create new file. So I'm going to create that file. Accept. Uh, it's not that. npm run make admin. Alright, so that is that. Now we can go deploy it. Now, let's go over here, refresh. Dashboard, still not working. Huh. Interesting. All right, guys, I'm gonna hop off here for a little bit. I will be back tomorrow and streaming again. Thank you guys for hopping on, and I will see you guys tomorrow.